Hello again. In this video, we will look at the steps we need to undergo to create badges for our Moodle courses. How can we set the criteria in order to have them delivered to our students after activities or course completion? So as you can see, I am in the Moodle site as a manager. This is the course I created this morning, The World We Want, Sustainable Development for Primary Education. And I will now go into the course editing in order to create a badge. You can see that this is the course I did this morning, but there are also already 3 other ones already created in the site. So we don't go to the navigation block, we need to go to the administration block. I don't want to edit the category nor even the course. What I want to do is to actually manage and add my badges. So if I go to the course, as I did, you'll see that the course is created with 7 topics. Here is the participants. At this stage there is nothing to display since I haven't enrolled any participants into the course, but we will move into the badges. So it says that there are no badges available. Now why this happened, I will show you, because I've actually been working on creating a badge after creating the course, and this is what I've done so far. So before coming to my first badge that I called Goal 1 Star, and why Goal 1? Because we will be developing the global goals for sustainable development along the course, and there are 17 altogether. There won't be 70 badges, since some of the goals can be grouped together. So to come up with this badge, and you'll see that the icon in the middle is very much the same as the picture that identifies the course, I came to a site called Make Badges, and what you need to do is to make another badge. So this is the one I've created this morning. Okay, I have already downloaded, so we can move on to a new one. You can choose different shapes, different icons. I haven't chosen any of these icons. I've actually uploaded from my computer a picture that I had found in the internet, and then you can choose the borders and the colors, and here you can write your text, and after it's done you just download it, which was what I did. So the first thing I did, and I'm going here, this is just the overview, but we'll go into the edit details. What I did was to give my badge a name, which I've explained before, a short description stating that it will only be awarded after completion of topic 1. Then I chose a file, which it's already here, and the issuer details. I said it's the World We Want course manager, and I've put it here, my email, and then I saved the changes. And if we go back to overview, this is what you see: the name, the description, when it was created, which was today at 10 this morning, the issuer name, and the contact. Then for criteria, I had to add and choose from these options. I could choose course completion, activity completion, but I decided to do a manual issue by role. And then I wrote the criteria for the badge award. Now this badge has to be awarded by a user with the following role, and I placed the teacher, not the manager, since it will be the teacher that will be managing the whole progress of the course, but this can also be changed. And this is the criteria that I've listed. So watch the video on global goals for sustainable development, complete the quiz, how green are you, read the Todd Bar book, recorded a podcast with a Todd Bar passage, and provided a feedback to a peer regarding his or her podcast recording. All these activities were shown in a previous video tutorial regarding the final product of week 4, and that video was even linking to the learning aims of the course. And as you remember, there are no badges available still because I haven't enabled access. So I need, after you've done all of this, oh, by the way, here in message, I've also changed because it says congratulations, you just earned a badge. And then I wrote here the name of the badge because then will be a gold 2, a gold 3 star badge. Here the same, and they can even download and manage their badges. So I think we're now set for enabling the badge. So enable access, and in fact is telling me that we need to confirm that I want this badge to be made visible, and yes, I do, I'm sure, and we will just see what happens. Let me go back to the other and just refresh this page, and here it is. So for the course created this morning, the number of badges available is 1. The name, this is the image of the bar, the name, the description, and also the criteria. And it should, okay, I think this is, nothing is meant to be here. So I think we are done for the badges. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you.